So what if you want to show the grids inside our plot? So it's very simple, using the grid true or using some parameters. So here our first lesson about the grids inside our plots. So it's the grid function, which like this. As usual, we will import the matplotlib.pyplot as BLT, and we will import the numpy as NB, and after that we will say that we have figure and axes will be plot.subplots. We are ranging from 1 to 3. We have 3 subplots, and you have the fig size to be 12 for like this. And after that we have the x to be nb.arrange from 1 to maybe 15 like this. The first axis will be, so the first axis will be plot in x and x by 3. So we will multiply x by x by x. It will be like this. And we have the, let's say it will be green, which is the line, and the line weight may be 2. And after that, the axis, this axis dot grid will be true, and true capital T. After that, axis 1 dot plot x and numpy dot exponential of x, and it will be red. This is the line, and axis 1 dot grid will be color will be blue, and line style will be like this, and the line weight maybe 0.4. So we have the final axis, which is the third axis. We have plot xx, and we maybe axis, first axis will be, and we will set the title default grid, and in this one axis 1 dot set title will be custom grid, and after that we will say fig dot what is remaining to show our plot. So let's run. We have used in the one axis 1 row and 3 columns. This first axis, this is second one, which is here, and this is the third one. This is second one, and this is the third one. So let's run our script so to see what we have here. So it says that fig size isn't defined. And let's rerun again. And now we are here. We have here the default grid to true, and we have here blue grid line weight to be 0.25, and we have here no grid. So I hope you enjoy this lesson. See you in the next video.